All right, let's go ahead and take a look at building a simple opt-in and thank you page funnel. So create a new funnel, click on opt-in funnel. There's lots of different choices you can have, and you can choose, the different tags up here. Choose your favorite ones. Let's go with this blurred squeeze page. And for a thank you page, let's go ahead and deliver our book right there. Okay, let's create this funnel. Now right away the pages are created. They just have placeholders, and so this right here is the page link. That'll take me exactly to my opt-in page. Granted it's got just the placeholder text on it. But if we pull it up, we can see what it looks like. It's already there, as is that one. So now it's just a matter of editing it. First thing we can do right here is we can edit the name of it. So we'll call it, my book squeeze page. We'll call this one my book thank you page. Awesome. So now we're going to go in and we're going to edit this page. Now a simple way to do it is just to hover over any element that you want, tap inside, start editing. All right, you can type anything you want. Edit this one. Those are just two fields that your users are going to use. But you can edit the text on this button. Right? Another way to see all these different pieces that are editable is by clicking on all the elements. Scroll up a little bit. And as you hover over them, you can see them come up. Alright, you can see them come up and you can click and get an editing window here. Easy enough. Or maybe you just want this headline and you don't want this sub-headline. Well, that's easy. Just make it not visible. Update, and it went away. So now you have a more concise squeeze page. So the fun thing about this squeeze page is there's a big image in the background that we can edit. So let's go ahead and grab an image and swap that out. Okay, so you can always click right here on the full background image. Paste in your URL and update the element. That'll change out the background image too. So all these different things can be changed right there. Now the other thing you want to do on a squeeze page is make sure you configure your email. Okay, so what you would need to do if you haven't yet is you need to add an integration. You need to decide with which email autoresponder company you're going to be integrating. So let's say you want to integrate with Aweber. You click right here. It opens up a new window for your Aweber login. So you go ahead and you enter your login and your password, and then you click allow access. That's all you need to do, and then all of a sudden your integration will be live over here. So then you can select your integration. You want to integrate with the existing form, and it'll pre-populate all the lists that you have in there. So all the different lists that you have in your Aweber, you'll show right there. Choose the one from the drop down. Update. Now as a visitor comes and enters their name and their email on this page, it'll actually send that email over to your Aweber list, so you can collect it there. There's some more page settings that you can edit. Maybe you want to change the URL of the page. things like that. But the biggest thing at this point is once they opt in, where are they going to go? So there's two ways to decide where they're going to go. One is right here on this page settings. You can click on the redirect next, and you actually can enter a URL right here. So maybe you want them just to go to wherever your product is, wherever the delivery is once you create that free book. Let's just assume it's this. So let's go ahead and look at the preview here, save our changes. I'll show you what happened when we did that. See, it took our background image. So when I opt in, oh, it looks like Aweber was trying to correct me. And I've got an inactive list. Well. That's fine. So it would take me straight to Yahoo right there, which is great. So that's one option. The other option is to leave that blank and instead have ClickFunnels create the next page. So your next page is your let's go ahead and hop out here and go back to our thank you page. So here's our thank you page. So instead we can just direct right to this, right? Edit the text on it, save it, and now you have a fully working opt-in and thank you page funnel.